Welcome you to EduAid. In this session, we are going to discuss some grammatical trivias. So, kisuman enuka grammar or uses where many readers, many users of English tend to be confused on that particular uses. So, let's discuss certain grammatical trivias. Jibilak তোমালোকৰ not only understanding of that particular language কিছুমান competitive examination to বহুত help hobo. So let's have a discussion with a particular question. Let's take a question, for example. It is time I went to bed. Say what I have done is that I have underlined went or tolot thorilo tomar yate underline kore dise sentence improvement part to jodi ami koru that you are asked to improve that particular sentence. A sentence to went to kiba bhul ase neki, some options to follow now. Say first option is go, second option is should go, third option is am going, fourth option is shall go, aru eta ami fifth option loisu which is said no improvement required. No improvement. So out of these 5 options, which option will be the correct replacement of this very sentence? Tomaloke enuka dhৰণৰ sentence ketiaba competitive exams ba in fact on the day of your exam, high secondary, matriculation ebilak exam to tomaloke enuka question pabo para where it is time I go to bed will be given as the question.
Are you worried about your class 10 final board examinations? Download the all new EduAid mobile app. We bring to you the best content of the core subjects by the best educators in a gamified manner. Unlimited practice tests, AI-based analytics of your progress, previous year solved question papers, and a lot more. And here's the interesting part. If you download our application right now, you'll enjoy a free 14 days trial period. So, what are you waiting for? Get your EduAid mobile application right now.
Now, question to ami পঢ়ি পেলাই এটা আইডিয়া কৰিব যত্ন কৰো কি কোনটো সময়ৰ কথা কৈছে. Primarily this is a question based on the problem of tense. So tense বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে তোমালোকে জানা tense denotes nothing but the concept of time. At what time the action has been performed. কোনখিনি সময়ত কামটো কৰা হৈছে এই কথাটো এই সেন্টেন্সটোৱে ক'ব লাগিব. Say এই সেন্টেন্সটোৰ দুটা পাৰ্ট আছে মন কৰা. যদি আমি দুটা পাৰ্টত ডিভাইড কৰো সেন্টেন্সটো, the first part says it is time and the second part says I went to bed. Now reading the first part, tomaloke eta just answers nijor manot dibo paribane ketia ei sentence to koa hoise, at what time does the speaker utter this particular sentence, at what time is this sentence said. Reading the sentence, it seems the speaker is saying it is time. The speaker has used the auxiliary verb of the present tense is. So that is an obvious indication that this particular sentence has been uttered in present time. Yes or no? This particular sentence has been uttered in present time. Present time ok ami in short kobo paru, this has been uttered now. Followed till that moment. So it is time, read the sentence, the first clause of the sentence says it is time I went to bed. So it is time indicating this particular sentence has been uttered in present time. More precisely, this sentence has been said now. ঠিক আছে, এখিনি আমি ধৰিব পাৰিছো. এতিয়া কোৱা হৈছে now, pointing to the clock to the watch, the speaker is saying that at this point of time কি সময় আমি নাজানো, খালি আমি এটা ক্লু গম পাইছো যে এই সেন্টেন্স খিনি তেও এটিয়া কৈছে না. বহুতে কব পাৰে সেন্টেন্সটো পঢ়ি পলাই যেতিয়া তেও শুব যায়, at what time he goes to bed, that is not our concern here. Yes or no? তেও যেতিয়া বজাত শুব যায়, ৰাতি 10টাত যায়, 2টাত যায়, 3টাত যায়, we are not bothered about that. কিন্তু কোৱেশ্চনটোত কৈছে it is time, referring to that time when the speaker has said this line which we have already identified as the present time, মানে now. Now pointing to the clock or to the watch, the speaker is saying that at this point of time he always goes to bed. এখিনি পার্ট বুজি পাইছা ঘড়িটোৰ ফালে পইণ্ট কৰি স্পিকাৰজনে কৈছে যে এইটো সময়ত তেওঁ সদায় শুবলৈ যায়. Now the second question that we have to ask is that is the speaker, এইটো কুৱেশ্যনটো অলপ মন দি শুনিবা তোমালোকে, is the speaker able to follow his usual habit of going to bed at that particular time today? Understood the question? Speaker কৈছে এইটো সময়ত তেওঁ সদায় শুবলৈ যায়, কিন্তু আজি কথাখিনি কোৱাৰ সময়ত তেওঁ শুব যাব পাৰিছে নে? What do you say? That is the speaker able to go to bed today? The speaker has failed to perform his usual habit. নহয় জানো তেওঁ কৈছে যে মই এইটো সময়ত সদায় শুব যাওঁ, but আজি মই যাব পৰা নাই. The moment when I am speaking this word, I have not been able to follow up this habit. So till what time he is able to do that? কেতিয়ালৈকে যাব পাৰিছিল তেওঁ যাব পাৰিছিল যোৱাকালিলৈকে. তেওঁ যোৱাকালিলৈকে এইটো হেবিট মেইনটেইন কৰিছিল, বাট টুডে হি হেজ ফেইল্ড টু মেইনটেইন দেট হেবিট, মে বি বিকজ অফ আদাৰ লাইবিলিটিজ, ৰেছপনচিবিলিটিজ, হোৱাট এভাৰ একশ্যনছ হি হেজ বিন ডুইং, নট স্পেচিফাইড, বাট কৈছে তেওঁ এইটো সময়ত মই সদায় শুব যাওঁ, বাট এট দ্য টাইম অফ আটাৰিং দিছ ভেৰি চেণ্টেন্স আই ফেইল টু মেইনটেইন দ্য হেবিট অফ মাইণ্ড, এণ্ড দ্যাটছ ৱাই দ্যাটছ এ ভেৰি ইউনিক থিং অফ ইংলিছ গ্ৰামাৰ. এইফালে প্ৰেজেণ্ট থকা পিছতো ডেছপাইট দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট ক্ল'জ ইজ ইন চিম্পল present tense, the other clause, that is the main clause, main clause or tense to amar kot hobo janane, main clause or tense to amar hobo simple past tense. So the main clause will be in simple past. That means it cannot be go, that means it cannot be go, that means it cannot be should go, that means it cannot be am going, that means it cannot be shall go, hence it has to be no improvement. The answer is correct the way it is given. It is time, which is a very commonly confused statement, কারণ বহুতে এইটো ভুল কৰা দেখা যায়, ইফালে প্ৰেজেন্ট ইফালে পাষ্ট কেনেকৈ হ'ব, হ'বতো নোৱাৰে. য়েছ হৈছে কিয়, when we are talking about it is time, মন কৰিবা, if a sentence starts with the clause it is time, এই নোটটো তোমালোকে মনত ৰাখিব পাৰা, if a sentence starts with the clause it is time, the verb of the main clause, the verb of the main clause, the verb of the main clause must be in, the verb of the main clause must be in simple past tense. So it is time I go to bed, jodi porikha diye, you have to correct this as it is time I went to bed. The verb of the main clause must be in simple past tense, mane sidha verb or second form likhiba, don't say any other auxiliary, should or najaba, go hobo noare, present and past being fused here. Normally it does not happen, so this is one of the exceptional cases, that's why we call this grammatical trivia. So hope you have followed this. Let's now see some more grammatical trivias as well.
Hello dear students, has learning a new thing become boring for you? Well, here is a good news.
Presenting EduAid, where learning is no more boring with free interactive video lessons and live classes.
Presented by experienced and friendly educators.
Improve your knowledge with unlimited tests, practices and detailed progress report of your studies.
Connect your friends and play live quiz and cool games. Share notes and your progress too, so that you can learn and grow together with EduAid.
Now with 100% money back guarantee. Download now to grab the exciting offers.
So viewers, now let's look into another grammatical trivia where we sometimes make mistakes. So let's have a sentence. Sentence to agote sai loisu, tar pisot ami tar discussion to rakhim. It is time to monot rakhiba tomaloke jetu ami olop agote discuss korilu. So এটা সেন্টেন্স তোমালোকে ল'বা যে no sooner did the teacher enter the room then the students stood up. অপশনস কেইটা চাই লৈছো আমি সেন্টেন্স ইমপ্ৰুভমেন্টৰ কেইটামান ডিসকাশন কৰিছো সো ইয়াতে দেন ওয়ার্ডটোৰ তলত আমাৰ আন্ডাৰলাইন আছে সো ইয়াতে অপশনস যদি হয় সেন্টেন্স তুমি ইমপ্ৰুভ কৰিব লাগে the first option is when second option is but third option is then fourth option is if fifth option is no change. Very common type of problems that we often come up with. Ki kole sentence to dako. No sooner did the teacher enter the room than the student stood up. So, now if you pay attention to the sentence, can you tell me how many actions have taken place here? One simple question to all of you. How many actions have taken place here? So you will say obviously there are two actions. Nohoy janu? Eta hol teacher entered the room. The other is the student stood up. First action ki hol teacher e entry korise. Teacher's entry is the first action. Teacher's entry is the first action. The other action is the students stood up. These are the two actions happen. Now I give you two possibilities. You tell me what does the sentence mean. Possibility number one, the sentence or mane to ki teacher e enter korile room tut tar pisot students khini thiyo hol. After that the students stood up. And the second possibility is that the meaning of the sentence teacher's entry and the students that stand up, both the actions happen parallelly at the same point of time. Go paribane kuntu yar sentence or meaning hobo paribo je prothom possibility moi tomalok dilu teacher e entry korile tar pisot students khini thiyo hol. First possibility. Second to jodi ami sao ki kole second to je teacher eo entry korile students khinio thiyo hoi gol. So both the actions happen at the same point of time. Now what does the sentence mean or imply? Heitu janibo karone ami no sooner shobdotor meaning janibo lagil. Now sentence eta improve korte kiman bostu sabo lage. Say no sooner did the teacher enter. No sooner, some of you might be knowing, no sooner is the negative version of the affirmative form as soon as. No sooner is the negative version of the affirmative form as soon as. Tar mane as soon as mane ki boli ko ekeloge. So what does the implication of the sentence is both the actions happen parallelly at the same point of time. I repeat, no sooner implies both the action happen parallelly at the same point of time. Now if I use then, then, mane hami bujam pisot hoise kam tu nohoy janu, but sentence or meaning ki duta action ekeloge hoise. What we are primarily doing here, we are comparing two actions. এই সেন্টেন্সটোত সদায় মনত ৰাখিবা নো সুনাৰ থকা বাক্যত আমি দুটা একশনৰ তুলনা কৰো কাৰণ নো সুনাৰ ইজ দ্য নেগেটিভ ভাৰ্সন অফ দ্য ফৰ্ম এজ সুন এজ সো যেতিয়া আমি THEN ইউজ কৰিম দ্যাট উইল মিন ইট হ্যাপেন আফটাৰৱাৰ্ডছ বাট ইট ডাজ নট হ্যাপেন আফটাৰৱাৰ্ডছ এইটো একেলগে হৈছে তো নো চেঞ্জ অপশনটো সিধা কাটা গল ইয়াতে চেঞ্জ লাগিব So key change lagibo when holeo time or related matter kobo jetia so it cannot be but also cannot be so as we are comparing both the actions it has to be followed by THAN. You remember that no sooner is followed by THAN not when but by especially bahut porikha dia dekha jay tomologe pisot competitive exam dile etu common question paba they will give you no sooner THEN then mane hoi gol tetia afterwards but with no sooner we compare two actions and that's why it should be followed by THAN not THEN. So hope you have understood both the trivias that we have discussed. Do ask your doubts by going to the comment section and do not forget to subscribe this particular channel. Thank you for watching.